It's a competitive world and customers have choices. In selecting a supplier, there are 5 key elements customers consider, and mastery of the golden 5 will make you a formidable competitor. Adding one vital competitive principle to the 5 elements can permanently tilt the playing field in your favor. Welcome back. An important element of every executive's job is to guard against competitive encroachment while doing everything possible to win accounts away from the guys on the other side. Thorough consideration of the important elements of competitive strategy can provide a lot of clarity and is the recipe for success. First, for some important context. It's necessary to understand the Parity Principle. You can't motivate customers to switch by offering what they're already getting. So parity with the competition isn't enough to win an account. You have to offer something that beats the incumbent in some important way. In practical terms, you have to offer enough of an incremental benefit that it outweighs the cost and inconvenience of switching. The Parity Principle applies both offensively and defensively. On offense, you need to beat the incumbent in a meaningful way on an element that matters to the customer. You could offer a lower price or a delivery option that is better suited to the customer's needs. You won't win the business by simply matching what the competitor is doing. Defensively, the Parity Principle means that as long as you can ensure the competition are unable to significantly exceed your performance in the elements of customer relationship, competitors will be unable to take accounts away. Getting down to specifics, there are 5 elements customers are looking for: product availability, price, order mechanisms and delivery options, competence and problem resolution, and finally, customer experience. Let's briefly touch on each of the 5. Product availability is baseline. Have a system to analyze the intersection of most profitable products for most profitable customers and set safety stock levels so there are no stockouts. Ensure this is a regularly scheduled process, at least twice a year, so downward stock level adjustments prevent building dead inventory as the market evolves. Naturally, price is an important element. You can have the best market price for high volume, high efficiency accounts, provided you don't also have to subsidize losses on other high volume accounts that impose high cost levels. This is the one area that's universally fumbled in distribution, so represents the greatest opportunity for profit growth. If you restrict high margins to only highly efficient, that is low cost to serve accounts, your company will be considerably more profitable and you'll have the cash flow to offer deal-winning pricing to new accounts without cutting into your bottom line. Next, order mechanisms matter. The best accounts are looking for high efficiency, low error rate options for placing their orders. The best of your peers knows the cost and order accuracy benefits of EDI and accurately promote its use. E-commerce portals put your company in front of customers that would otherwise not find you, and when combined with high-efficiency pick-pack processes, can lower the revenue threshold for a profitable order. For the next element, competence and problem resolution are closely related. Competence is really your company's ability to more often translate a customer order into a delivery of the right product in the right way at the right time. Accuracy rates approaching 100% increase customer satisfaction while eliminating the need for costly remedial action. The problem resolution element, which is connected to competence, reflects how prepared and organized your firm is to instantly rectify errors due to failures in competence. These two are the yin and yang that determine how your capabilities are perceived in the market. This brings us to the final element, customer experience. Customer experience is about how the customer feels about his interaction with your company. A superior customer experience builds loyalty and essentially banks goodwill needed to diminish the impact of competence failures that will occasionally occur. If you have a properly profitable relationship with an account, you can fund investments in concierge customer service, samples, and other special benefits that will raise customer experience. While there are numerous elements to a customer relationship, these 5 are universal and the ones that really set your competitive position. Why does this matter? Because a good understanding of the Parity Principle and the 5 elements gives you everything you need to effectively protect your customer base and the insights needed to devastate your competitors' business growth. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and visit our website at www.waypointanalytics.net.